Why can roller skates glide on the ground? One sunny afternoon, Sammy was getting ready to skate when he noticed how smoothly Glidey moved across the floor.
Hi Glidey. I love skating, but why can you glide so easily on the ground?
Great question, Sammy. Let me tell you why roller skates can glide so smoothly.
Glidey began by explaining what a roller skate is.
A roller skate is a special shoe with wheels that let you move smoothly and quickly on the ground.
So, roller skates are like magic shoes that help me glide.
Glidey explained the importance of wheels in roller skates.
My wheels are round and smooth, which helps me roll easily over the ground without getting stuck.
That's why you can keep moving without stopping.
Glidey shared how low friction helps roller skates glide.
Low friction means there's less resistance between my wheels and the ground, making it easier to glide smoothly.
So, low friction helps me skate faster and more easily.
Glidey explained how bearings help wheels move.
Inside my wheels are bearings that let them spin freely, so I can move without much effort.
That's why my skating feels so easy and fun.
Glidey talked about how balance helps with gliding.
Good balance helps me stay steady while I glide, so you can skate safely and confidently.
That's why I feel balanced and not wobbly when I skate.
Glidey explained how pushing off helps with gliding.
When you push off the ground with your feet, it gives me the speed to glide forward smoothly.
That's why pushing off helps me move faster.
Glidey shared how smooth surfaces aid in gliding.
Smoother surfaces on the rink help me glide without bumps or obstacles.
That's why skating on smooth ice is easier and more fun.
Glidey shared an interesting fun fact about roller skates.
Did you know that roller skates were invented over 300 years ago and have been loved by people all around the world?
Wow! Roller skates have a long and fun history.
Glidey explained how roller skates are used today.
Today, people use roller skates for fun, sports, and even performing tricks in roller discos.
I love roller skating with my friends and showing off cool moves.
The wheels on roller skates spin at about 1,000 times per minute.